Let's add some curtain walls, apply on these walls. So I will switch to a 3D view and we'll click on this wall, press Ctrl, select this one and this one. In the drop down menu you can select here curtain wall 1 and you will see a warning. Just close this warning and switch to the first floor. Now you can see our wall was aligned with the reference plan, but this is just you can see a bit of distance here. You can flip it by clicking this icon, but it will flip the entire face of a curtain wall. So we will apply a different tool here. We have an option align dimension. You can move it with a specified distance. So activate it, click here and click outside. Now click on this wall, this line, and you can see here. Now give it a space of 1 over 2 inches, because I will use a mullion of 2.5 inches, and you can see the result of our align dimension. Again, you can apply here, click here, click here, and you can select here. Now click on this line, and here you can apply 1 over 2 inches. Press enter. It isn't working. Apply it again. Just zoom it a bit. Click here, and now click on this line, and 1 over 2 inches. Now this is also done. Apply on this one, click on this line, click on this line, and go here. Again, click on this line and 1 over 2 inches. You can see it is working. Now this last one, again align dimension, click here and click here. Select modify tool, click on this line and change the distance to 1 over 2 inches. So this is done. Now we will switch to 3D view to see how our model is aligned exactly what I want. Now we will apply mullion on it. So rectangular mullion, this is okay. Now click here, and with the shift you can adjust it. So this is how our mullion is. Now we will apply L corner mullion 5 by 5 inches. Click here and click here. This is how our corner mullion will work. You can zoom it and see how it looks. Very amazing. Now select one of the view and we will apply curtain grid here. I will save my project. Now for the horizontal and vertical lines, you can click here so you can adjust it. You can adjust it. I will make it 7 feet, and this one will be also 7 feet. This is our vertical lines. Again, curtain grid, click here, and for the horizontal I will click start from this point 8 feet. The next will be click here, and you can adjust its length. So this is I will make it 10 feet for example, and this distance will be 9 feet. So this is okay. Now I will draw here. Again, curtain grid, click here. You can adjust it. That's okay. Again, so adjust it again 10 feet. Now for this view I will switch to this view, and right view. This will be okay. So we have a horizontal and vertical lines. I will again curtain grid 8 feet, 10 feet. Again, start from here 8 feet. We will adjust it. This will be 10 feet, and for this is okay. Now switch to one of the view and apply a mullion. I will apply again 2.5 inches by 5 inches and select these lines. You can make more adjustment if you want, but for a beginner I think this will be enough. Make practice on it and apply more mullions and grid lines on your design. So this looks amazing. In the next video we will customize our roofs and walls, and then we'll make render setup to wrap up our building drawing. So that's it for this video. See you in next videos. Bye.